Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to update Dualsense controller on PC. Let's go. Open PlayStation website. Support. Hardware and repairs. Controllers. Dualsense controller. Update. Update device software on PC. Install app. Connect your Dualsense controller to your PC. If an update is available, click Update. That's it. Now you know how to update Dualsense controller on PC. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.